Hello, this is a demonstration of how to use our cover strip fitting tool to help simplify the process of inserting grey, white and black cover strips into the centre of Caravan and Motorhome double glazed opening window rubbers. The part code for this item is CST4335 and it has been developed by us here at Seals Direct, so it is only available from our website at sealsdirect.co.uk. The first thing we need to do is lubricate the rubber to ensure that the tool slides around the seal without dragging. This is done by spraying a light coat of silicone spray all the way around the window rubber to allow the tool to glide as you fit the cover strip. Next, you need to insert the fitting tool into the window rubber. To do this, lift up the ears and gently slide the tool inside. We then need to get the cover strip and feed it through the centre of the tool into the window rubber. With one hand, hold the cover strip down behind the tool and then move the tool forward to lay the cover strip into the window rubber. Keep pressure on the corners to avoid the tool from sliding out of the channel. Continue all the way around the window rubber. As you get towards the join, gently lift the tool over the start of the cover strip. It's at this point that you can cut the cover strip to length if required, and when it's short enough, you can just drag the tool and it will gently lay the cover strip into the end of the channel. Thank you for watching. That was our demonstration of how to use our tool CST4335. If you would like to buy this tool, you can get it from our website at sealsdirect.co.uk, where we also have other technical guides such as the complete process for fitting the Caravan window rubber, as well as other guides which are useful for Caravan restoration. Thank you.